What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in today. We have a freaking ZR1 carbon wheels. This must be the maxed out spec. This thing is nasty. Oh my gosh. Somebody got money over here. What just pulled up? Big ZR1. Gosh, carbon roof. This thing is nasty. What else we got over here? LT1. Got the cat on the B-lock. Wheels. I wonder how much this is pushing. Got the bed. Mustang. I think I gapped this one. What else they got over here? Got GXP, G8, Terminator, few whips. Currently posted at Buc-ee's. Nice LP5 next to me. About to get ready to go to a car meet. About to wash my car. Got a few runs in last night. I raced a Mustang in Mexico and I raced a G8 GT in Mexico. Ended up losing to the Mustang, but he came around the top end. So y'all just stay tuned. Coming back after leaving the gym, a little good hoop session. My ball is cooked. Good hoop session. Now I'm about to just spray my car off, or I might give it a decent little wash. I'm not sure yet. I kind of feel lazy, so I might just spray it off. Then get ready to go to this car meet at 6. And after that, I'm chilling. Not doing too much today. Today's Sunday. Get more footage at the car meet, and let me give y'all a quick walk around. Dictate if I really want to wash it for real or not. Kind of tired. What y'all think? Should I give it a wash for real or just spray it off? I don't even think it looks that bad. I might just spray it off. Tell you the truth. Yeah, I don't think it needs a full wash. I decided just to rinse it off. I'm not giving it a full wash, sorry, I'm lazy. Maybe I should have, but I didn't feel like it. Just a cool little car meet. Nothing crazy. I've been washing this car a lot. I just need to get like a car cover or a garage or a shop. That's why you gotta have a nice storage or something. When you have cars, keep them clean and put up and stuff. I care, but not too much. I don't know why I'm holding the phone like I don't have my tripod literally in my car. But let's see the after results. I know my wheel's gonna have freaking spots. I'm just so lazy because I'm tired from the gym. Haven't ate since breakfast. I ran 2 miles. I played a few games. Been getting it in, man. Staying active. Nothing too crazy, but I'm getting to it. I'm not gonna lie, my car kinda looks terrible, but I sprayed it off. Doesn't look too bad. Few spots, but it's good, whatever. I can kind of see where I have to come back and wipe, but cool. Let's go home and get food. Finally headed to the freaking meet. No, me. Always a little late, which is not good at all, but at least the sun is down now. Gosh, the sun was beaming. Had a long hoop session at the gym. Well, it really wasn't even long. It's because I had ran before I had started hooping, then did full court. Definitely out of shape, but I think after this week, after I get like my full workouts throughout this week, I should be back in tip-top shape. But y'all stay posted until I get to the meet. Finally made it to the meeting. Damn, everybody left. Fuck. I'm late everywhere. But it's some shit. It's some sheet. Excuse me. 2 cars out, nothing too crazy. Let's see, man. Let's see what these boys got. Scotty, Tesla, GTOs, 2 GTOs, Scat, ZL1 on the tire. This bitch nasty. That boy on that motherfucking tire. What else is over here? That's about it. I don't know, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm see if I get some runs in. That boy in that bit. On that tire. Fast boy. Vaughn in his slow M X drive. Valtronic. Yeah. I wish I was rich like Vaughn. L Vlogger. I was just at Thompson, just posted. There really wasn't much going on. I forgot to record leaving the car meet. Car meet kind of died down because I pulled up late, of course. But look at these little cup holder things. Since I don't have ambient lighting, that's what I have right now. But this car actually came with ambient lighting. It has underglow. I don't have the controls for it, but I need to figure out how to control that. Came with stitched seats, diamond stitched seats, and all that. But hey, man. Another day, another problem. Just gotta give me some more money and I can solve them all, you know? But tune back in tomorrow and let's end out the vlog at work, maybe.
Comparable to the MSD?
Yeah.
What is it called? Which one is that?
The black and red one?
Yeah, that one?
Yeah.
It's pretty much the same thing, but just less.
I know. I want that one. It's like 1,500.
It's about like 1,300, but I don't know if it's ported or not.
This one's ported?
Yeah, this one's ported.
Yeah. Way on a tire. Sheesh. So this makes 1,000. Got this mirror right here with a big turbo. Just came to finish out my vlog. Another car meet. Z06, ZR1. ZR1 sounds like it's breaking the sound barrier. They got a few fast things out here. BMW, short wide, Trailblazer SS. Hey man, I've been coming with the content. Thing got a tire on it. I was gonna buy one of these back in the day, but I end up getting another one. 3 car meets, 3 days. Corvette Pro Charge. Sheesh. Boy's fast. LT1. Chevy SS. Subaru Cobra. Got an LS with a big turbo, the BTR. 5.0. ZL1. They got a ported supercharger and all that. And the tire. This thing's nasty. This thing's nasty. Nasty. What else is up here? Got this Mero. I think this is a 73. 73 Z28. Another Vet, GT350, another Trailblazer SS. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Just came to finish out the vlog, posted with Ty. They got some nice stuff out here. Didn't end up getting any runs in yesterday, but just trying to get some content out, man. Been slacking a little bit. Parachute, oh my gosh, he may be stupid fast. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Here, 9th inning on Sauncey. Nothing too crazy going on. Just out with the vibes. Fun run with a vet, fun run. All right, vlog's not over. We're about to get a fun run in with a Z06 that's obviously making twice as much horsepower as me. That thing sounds nasty. Definitely nasty, man. We're currently in Mexico. Whatever you see is AI. Nasty, man, nasty.